Welcome to this 5-minute mindful meditation designed to help you find your calm and reconnect with the present moment. Today, take a moment to pause and give yourself the gift of stillness. This time is yours to breathe deeply, release tension, and create space for inner peace. Let go of any distractions and embrace a profound sense of calm and presence. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position that supports your practice, whether sitting with a relaxed, upright posture, standing to maintain alertness if you're feeling sleepy, or lying down to ground yourself if your mind feels restless. And gently close your eyes. If you prefer, soften your gaze and turn your focus inward. Together, we'll use our breath as an anchor to guide us back to the here and now. There's no need to change or fix anything. Just allow yourself to be exactly as you are. Once you've settled, take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply to fill your lungs and exhaling slowly to release tension. With each exhale, let go of what's happened earlier today and any thoughts of what's ahead. Allowing yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Let your breath settle into its natural rhythm as you feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. Observe the points of contact where it meets the ground, chair, or bed, and gently allow yourself to simply be. Noticing your present experience with mindfulness and without judgment or the need to change anything. Shift your focus to the natural flow of your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest or stomach. Noticing the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving. And imagining your body gently expanding and contracting like a balloon. Simply allowing your breath to happen naturally and being present with its rhythm. Let your breath serve as an anchor, keeping you grounded in the present moment. If your mind begins to wander, gently acknowledge the thought as a cloud drifting by, and without judgment, guide your attention back to your breath. Strengthening your ability to stay present with each return. The beauty of mindfulness lies in its simplicity. There's nothing to fix or achieve, only to be. Feel the flow of your breath connecting you to the present. Let distractions pass naturally and gently return your attention to your breath. Resting deeply in this simplicity, treat each breath as if it's your first. Noticing the sensation as it fills your lungs. The brief pause at the top of your inhale and the release as it leaves your body. Stay curious about its texture, rhythm, and sensation, deepening your connection to the present, one breath at a time. As we near the end of this session, release any judgment about how you meditated. There's no right or wrong way, and simply being here is enough. Thank yourself for dedicating this time to mindfulness and self-care. Set an intention to carry this calm into your next activity. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes or bring your attention outward, taking a deep, grounding breath as you reorient to your surroundings. Thank you for practicing mindfulness with me today. May this sense of presence stay with you as you move through your day. Take this calm with you, and remember, you can return to this practice anytime you need to reconnect.